Alexa, volume 50%. Okay, Alexa, volume 5. The maths of chiropractic, the maths of life. Yes, I'm saying that on purpose. Sometimes things just don't add up. Like when I tell Alexa 50% volume, she goes, "Oh, you have to say 1 to 10. Come on, 50%. It's really easy. The maths of chiropractic are very similar. One of the things that I do here at the office is the thermography scanning, and that is a bunch of math. It's taking temperature from a lot of different places and figuring out exactly what the temperature on your skin is, where the barrels line up, and then putting it on a graph that's easy for me to understand, and it's difficult for non-chiropractors or people not trained in thermography to understand. And then it does some more math, and then it does some more math, and then it does some more math, depending on which graph you're looking at. So we have to be very careful that we don't let the math overwrite the data. And that is the same thing in chiropractic. In business, we can't let the math overwrite the data. Sometimes the math lags behind. Sometimes the math is ahead. We always have to respect it, always have to honor it, but sometimes it doesn't tell us the whole picture. And in my experience, and this is from my wife's vernacular, God's math overrules ours. We have found in our 30 years of being together and doing this thing called married life that sometimes our math and the bank's math and the revenue stream and the expense stream just don't add up. And it's amazing to see God's finger on the calculator of the monthly math. And some of you are going to argue with that because, math is math and, the science is settled. But, it's really hard to argue experience. And our experience is God has his finger on the calculator of the math of life. Now, when you think of higher end math and you think of the really crazy stuff that goes on, the irrational number set, the square root of a negative number and I and pi and those things that are just irrational. Maybe not pi, because pi is good. Especially a rhubarb pie or a double pecan pie like we eat down in Nashville. Anyway, I digress. Oh, those are some good pies. I don't eat pie anymore, especially the sweet ones, but I do have memories of them. So maybe not that, but the square root of a negative number. Let's just talk about that one. That's vertebral subluxation. It interferes with normal math. It interferes with the math of life in your body. It throws in some kinks. It's that, anyway, I think you get my drift. I think you understand what I'm trying to say. Because God has his finger on the calculator of life. He has his finger on the calculator of your life. And vertebral subluxation gets in there and tries to mess things up. Chiropractic is the only profession specifically trained to scientifically address that issue. That's what we do. That's what we do every day. That's what I love doing. I love what I do, and I do what I love, and that means what I do here is something that you need to enjoy. If you're not in the area, you need to let me know so I can find somebody with as much love for my profession as I have, which is hard to find, but there's a lot of us out there. And if you're in the area, I'm still wondering why you're not in here. Anyway, it's Friday, so we're open 8 to 2, but it's already 7. Let's see, I got here about a half hour ago at 7:15. So it's an early day for me, typically, and we love you. We want to take care of you. We want to serve you and your family. And vertebral subluxation will throw in those irrational numbers into the maths of your life. We're here to help solve that equation. Love you guys. PureChiroNow.com. 864-715-2225. Take care. Bye-bye. Have a great weekend.